Hi there, my name is David. I'm one of the founders of Automate Rebels and also one of the creators of the LinkedScore. This is the Apify actor that runs on LinkedIn and check if the profile that you are checking is actually active, because if they are active, you have higher conversion rates across your LinkedIn campaigns. Based on that concept, we created this actor that runs individually, but if you want to run it at scale, let's say you have a whole CSV of 20,000 records that you want to check if they're active or not, then you can use this clay template to actually run that at scale. So that's about this video. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, first of all, you need to grab the template link that I sent it to you, paste it in your browser, and once you paste it, you're going to create a new table in your Creative Workspace. In order to run this template, you only need to have the starter plan. That's the requirement. The minimum requirement is $149 per month. The Clay subscription. Once you have created this table, you're going to notice that you have here a list of columns, and the important one is this LinkedScore that is connected to Apify. In order to run it, first of all, you need to have a list of people. If you want to import it from a CSV, you can select a CSV. Let me select one that might be useful. Let's select this one. The only column that you actually need to run it's the LinkedIn URL. We're going to map LinkedIn URL in LinkedIn profile column here. Once you've done that, you can save it. You're going to see here that it's going to populate the records. We have here a table now with all the data needed to run this Apify actor. Of course, if you want to extract all the other data that you have in the CSV, like the name, company domain, and so on, you can just map the values like we did with company name as well. Once we have it in here, you're going to see that in this column, if you click on it and you click on edit column, you probably won't have any Apify actor in here. You need to click on add account and then go to your Apify account, go to settings, go to Apify integrations, and you're going to create a new token here. Once you create this new token, you're going to see here the token being showed. You just need to copy it, go back to your Clay account, paste the API key here. You can name the token as you like. Could be David Apify account, and then save and test the account. Once you have done that, you're going to see the account here and this green check that will going to let you know that it's ready to use. So the next step is going to be connecting your Apify actor into your account. In order to do that, you need to go to your Apify account again, go to the LinkedIn Activity Index actor and click on Save as a new task and just continue and save it. Once you have saved it, you're going to see here the actor else. You're going to see some weird letters and numbers. That's the ID of the actor, but since you haven't saved it, you won't be able to save it. If you have already saved it, you just click on Refresh Fields and now you're going to be able to see it. That's all. Once you have set up this part, you can just click on Save. Let's save and run 10 rows. And now Apify, we're going to run on the back end. I'm going to deliver the data back to you. In this Clay table, you can continue any enrichment that you would like to do with it. Also in Clay, you can connect the list that you are building with HeyRich, for instance. You can send them directly to a campaign in HeyRich, and the ones that are active, of course, and so on. Here, I'm getting some data in the columns that I mapped. But if you click on any cell here, you're going to see that you have more values. So for instance, you have some insights in here, profile summary as well, and the score breakdown and the activity metrics. Once you have it all, you can export it as well. You can connect it to HeyRich, as I showed you before. You can load it as a CSV and you see it in your purpose. Hope that it was useful. I'm going to share with you the template URL, and so you're ready to use it.